Snowmaking unto itself is lifeblood of a ski area today, and certainly something we've worked hard at Holiday Valley for decades. When I look back, even 15 years ago, it would take 8 hours to bring 20 or 30 guns online manually. The incredible thing today is we take a smaller crew of 8 to 10 guys. They'll roll that system out and have 120 guns running in 2 hours. And on night 2, I'll see 200 guns running if the temperatures are there in under an hour. There's no comparison.
Our max pump output is 8,000 gallons per minute. We put automation on our primary first to open trails so that we have the ability to run them at a moment's notice and to be able to make the most snow on those trails. So they open first and close last. When we're installing the new click automation, we dig up our existing hydrants and easily screw on the new click automation hydrants. We put a plastic culvert around them and then put a steel lid on top of them. And it's as simple as that.
Currently we have 18 trails with HKD automation on them, and it's about 35% of the terrain here that's automated. The important thing is not only to get to 8,000 gallons a minute, but to be able to stay at 8,000 once you're there. With automation, it's very easy to shut down a certain trail, fire another trail almost simultaneously without having any of the pumps go offline.
All these green lines are actually where we are going to be running.
I think the benefit and the beauty of automation is that we have been able to produce a better quality snow in less time, taking advantage of every weather window. We're doing it with a better air-water ratio, and we're doing it for less money. So it is a win-win.
The energy savings through automation has been huge. Not only just the automation, but going to low energy guns has dropped our energy consumption over 20% in the last 5 years here. The connectivity of the resort is important to tie all 3 base lodges together, and then obviously terrain parks, take a larger amount of snow, race hills.
The benefit and the opportunity with automation that we saw, and has proven to be true, has been both quality of snow, response to weather cycles, and ultimately cost efficiency and energy consumption. It's good environmental stewardship, it's good economic stewardship to the company, and it takes better care of the customer.